Hello there, I'm Mr. Bent. I'm in charge of lower school maths, and I'm about to show you how to log on to our VLE maths resource called MathsWatch. And you can do this from any computer. So first of all, go into the web browser and type in MathsWatch, like so, and return. And the first answer that comes up is the vle.mathswatch.co.uk, and that's the one that I would like you to click on. And when you click on this one, you're prompted for a username and a password. So the username is dependent upon the student, and it is made up of some letters and some digits. The first digits is the year that your daughter or you started at Hayesfield. So for example, if you started this year, it would be 20 for 2020. And then it's the surname of the student. So I'm going to have something called Josephine Bloggs. So B-L-O-G-G-S. And then the initial of that student, so J. And then I need to add on here at Hayesfield. But don't put a .com at the end, it doesn't like it, it won't let you in. So this start of this is actually the student's school login details, but I've just plonked on an extra at Hayesfield at the end of it. Now the password is Hayesfield1, which I've got here. You can see Hayesfield1. Now this one is case sensitive, so it does need a capital H. So I'm just going to make sure I type that in with a capital H. So just bear with me. Hayesfield1. Okay, now hopefully something should pop to life here, and you should be logged in at this point. So you can see Josephine has got some work assigned, and we can see currently she has a MathsWatch starter pack. So I'm just going to click on that. Quite often we'll set some of these as homeworks for our students to do. So I'm just going to click in there, and you can see that at the top there's a series of questions 1 to 9 that have been set on that one. We can also down here we have some options to view videos. These are help videos that will allow the students to answer these questions if they get stuck. Well, I'm going to assume my students are quite good at this one. This is quite a basic one, so I'm clicking on number 1, and it's saying write the number 794 in figures. So in the answer box up here, I'm going to put 794, and then I want MathsWatch to check it for me, so I'll submit that answer, and I've got that right. Say if I do one incorrectly, 509 in words, so let's put 609, be a bit of an idiot. If I then submit that answer, it will say, whoops, you've some incorrect answers, but so you can always go back and change that to the correct one, and you won't lose out on that, so submit answer. And I'll get my ting of joy. Okay, there's other things for me to show you as well. I'm just going to show you the video section. Why that might be useful is if your daughter is going to revise for a test or an exam, we will supply your daughter with a revision list that would look like so. Here are all the skills that we want them to practice or they're going to be tested. And on the right hand side, there is a MathsWatch clip and a little reference. So for example, if I pick up S6, which is the first thing that might be on the test, if I want to find that on MathsWatch, I go into the video section and I can search in here S6 and then press return, and then you can see that gives the option of choosing mean, median, mode and range. So I'll click on that one, and here we've got a video which you can play, and that will teach okay, so that will teach the students how to do that. There is also some interactive questions for them to check it, so they can do those as 3 interactive questions here. Or also, if you go back, I can also have a look at a worksheet which you could print out and do that, and if you bring that into school, then we can mark that. So that's basically how to get into MathsWatch. It's nice and easy. We use this a lot, so feel free as a parent as well to have a little hunt around and see how it's done. Okay, thanks for your time. Take care.